What's up, everyone? Today we're diving into a monster battle. Huawei Pura 80 Ultra versus Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Two flagship beasts going head-to-head. Which one should you pick in 2025? Let's find out. First, design and display. The Galaxy S26 Ultra sticks with Samsung's sharp, squared-off look and a stunning 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with 144Hz refresh. Huawei Pura 80 Ultra counters with a sleek, curved design in a 6.8-inch LTPO OLED panel that also hits 144Hz, delivering smooth, punchy visuals. Now performance. Samsung's S26 Ultra packs the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2, the most powerful chip on Android right now. On the other hand, Huawei Pura 80 Ultra runs the upgraded Kirin 9100, optimized for AI tasks and super efficient battery life. Both are blazing fast, but the Snapdragon still has the edge in raw gaming power. On cameras, the deal-breaker for many, the Galaxy S26 Ultra brings a 200-megapixel main camera with insane zoom up to 150x. Huawei fires back with its Ultra Fusion 1-inch 50-megapixel sensor, promising breathtaking low-light shots and cinematic detail. If you want crazy zoom, go Samsung. If you want natural detail and night performance, Huawei takes the win. On battery and charging, the Pura 80 Ultra supports 100-watt wired and 80-watt wireless charging, lightning fast. The S26 Ultra sticks to 65-watt wired and 45-watt wireless, slower but still solid. Finally, software. Samsung runs One UI 7 on Android 15, packed with AI features and full Google support. Huawei's Harmony OS Next is smooth but lacks native Google apps in the US, which can be a major deal breaker. So what's the verdict? If you live in the US and want full app support, insane performance, and zoom power, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is your best bet. But if you care about ultra-fast charging, gorgeous design, and night photography, the Huawei Pura 80 Ultra is a powerhouse worth looking at. Which one are you picking, the Pura 80 Ultra or the Galaxy S26 Ultra? Drop your choice in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more epic comparisons.